Hello. Update. It's raining. It's so nice. I'm gonna go outside. No, I'm not. Hello. What are we doing?
It's a nice rainy Monday morning. We're having tea. It's
Yay.
so chill. Love it.
Oh my gosh, it's so wet.
It's coming down. Careful, baby.
Yeah, I'm just gonna fall on my ass immediately. I'm already soaked.
Oh my god.
It's so nice, but literally that's all I can stand.
It's so rainy.
Meanwhile, the house next door to us, the roofers are here replacing the makuti, which is like the thatched roof, the traditional housing.
Such a bad idea.
You can see you shaking your head. I don't know why.
I don't know why they chose the rainiest of days.
This is the rainiest day we've had.
The rainiest season.
I wonder how the goats are doing. But I'm not going to go look for them because I'm sure they're somewhere staying dry, and I'm sure they're fine.
Oh no, this is...
Also, it's so dark. It's like 11 in the morning, by the way. It looks like we're filming this in the evening, but... It's a whole...
It's real.
Yeah. It's okay, come.
Wow, look at all the insects in the sky.
Hi.
Wow, that's so crazy.
Oh man, yeah. They're going nuts. Every time it rains here, we get about 1,000 termite wings all scattered around the whole veranda. She's like, no sir. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Ah, good go. She's like, no sir, no sir, no sir. You almost got me. Yeah, good girl. Ah.
Come, Flower.
I don't know what you're doing.
Flower.
Hi.
Yeah. She's so loyal.
She's standing underneath her shelter.
You can't use Max for shelter, my guy. And I'm using this tree for shelter.
Ah, so great. She's having her rain liberation moment. I miss the rains down in Africa. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever.
Do you think after this Flower will be more open to water?
Maybe. She seems like she's genuinely enjoying herself now.
Aw, here we are.
She's genuinely enjoying
Good girl.
Yay. They were hiding before, but now they're... Hello. Now they're going crazy. I love it. It's so green. Look how big this guy is. Hello. Hi, buddy. Anyway, yeah, we haven't been posting as much. We've been quite busy, but we'll be back and we'll talk to you soon. Have fun. Stay wet.